Hello everybody. Hey, I'm having another exhibition. Here we are in the New Kent Art Gallery. Now, we could put a wide angle lens on the iPad to make it look like a huge space, but the fact is it's a very small space. And I like that. I like the fact it's quite an intimate gallery. It's full of the work of local artists. Now, I like being part of that because I don't want to appear to be some artist in an ivory tower, and it's great to be exhibiting here in Broadstairs. I've got the back wall for the next 2 months. I'll be switching it over in January, but this is the Christmas display. We've got 10 new works on display, including the partridge in a pear tree. Now, it's taken me a long time to get round to making a partridge in a pear tree, but I'll be making a lot of birds in trees, so it just fitted in, as I think this accompanying verse will explain. To make this partridge in a pear tree has only taken me a decade or 3, so I thought I'd better make amends by adding 2 turtle doves and 3 French hens.